Are you an IT professional and you believe that my current skill and knowledge I can only use for doing 9 to 5 job? You believe that I can only fix my client problem. Then my friend, you have no idea what are you missing today. And in this video, I will blow your mind with the idea that you can build a profitable business around your knowledge and your skill. How to do that, I will talk about that. But before going to start the video and you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're coming for the first time, I will highly request my friend, please consider this to subscribe my channel because I create content on investing, about business ideas. This is my topic. Okay, let's start our video. Again, you might be thinking, how it is possible, man? How, Rajesh, it is possible that, oh, I have experience in Java, .NET, maybe AI, machine learning, maybe database. There are so many verticals in IT, right? Then how I can build a business, man? Are you really serious about it? Let me give answer. Okay. So before going to the answer, let's assume one character. Okay, a person. His name is Ajay. Okay. This Ajay person having IT experience, having, let's suppose, 5 to 10 years of a kind of experience, and let's suppose he's working in Java field. Okay, you can replicate, you can apply for different field, different skill set, maybe AI, machine learning, different thing. So I will give example with respect to this person Ajay, who working in Java field for 5 to 10 years of experience. Okay, now you might be thinking how this Ajay can build a business. What are the different possibilities? What are the different ideas then he can apply and he can start a business? Now this person Ajay, how he can target for the customer? Because if you want to build a business, you need a customer. Okay, you need to target somebody, right? So which person who can buy the product or services from Ajay Java? So just think about that. In today's world, which person are maybe they need the Java, they need the Java knowledge. Okay, so first of all, this Ajay can target student. Okay, student who are studying in the college, in the BTech college, in the MC college, because I have seen that the level of education which are taught in our college, you can relate with it. Okay, the level of education is pathetic. And in my time, this is my experience, when I was studying Java in my college, I had zero experience in Java. I had very zero knowledge in programming because of some reason. So I believe that there's a scope, there's a gap, right? So Ajay can find this gap, he can target those people, those students, and he can create some maybe digital course, maybe online course, having all this knowledge like Java, like Spring, like cloud, like microservices, this everything. But hold, you might be thinking, Rajesh, already there are so many courses, man, on Udemy at very cheap price. Then why any student will buy my course? Or why, right? See, I know that you're right. There are so many courses on Udemy platform. You can find that, you can search core Java, you search microservices, you search anything, you'll find tons of courses at very cheap price. That's okay. But this is the gap here. Okay, so as a business owner, what you can think, you don't have to sell the courses. Okay, here you are not selling the courses. What you're selling here, you're selling the solution. So how you can do different here? Okay, so instead of just giving a course, hi, this is my course, just buy this course, it is not going to solve the problem. So you have to build a community, right? So you can give the course, okay, maybe at very cheap price, maybe 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, that depends. You can give the courses, but you have to give those solutions also. Okay, so maybe you can conduct some, maybe you can take some inner classes, maybe some additional classes, or you can run some session for a project, right? From building a project from scratch, maybe for database, maybe for CRUD, maybe for cloud. So you're giving the courses maybe almost free at very cheap price, but you're giving a solution, right? You are building a community, and this is what other platforms are not doing. So you have to find the gap. Okay, so this is one, I would say, this is one niche where Ajay can target those students who are lacking the foundation of core Java and they want to build some project from scratch, and Ajay can help those people. Okay, this is one vertical. Now what else Ajay can do? Okay, see, Ajay can target The second customer, okay, the second type of customer. See, the people who join the IT company, this is my experience, okay, having just, maybe they are they're just fresher or may have some experience, they're joining into IT. So this person, Ajay, can target those people. The customer can be those people who have just joined the IT companies, and maybe the people that the customer can be having 1 or maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 years kind of experience in the middle range, okay. And this is my experience, I'm sharing with my experience. Those people who had just joined the IT company and they're working in Java project, they have no good foundation of Java, okay. They still keep on learning, they find some article, they find some course on Udemy, they buy the courses. You will find there are a lot of people are buying courses on Udemy. So Ajay can target those people who have just entered into IT or having maybe 2 years, 3 years kind of experience in that range, those people, and he can build a course. Again, the same principle, he can build a course. And again, you don't have to sell a course here, okay, because there are so many courses. So you have to make yourself different in this case, okay. So give them courses, okay, and build a community, okay. Run the session, additional session for solving their doubt, okay. Do the hand holding, okay, or maybe help them to build a project. I have seen that a lot of people, they're still working in the legacy project where they have no use of microservices, they have no use of cloud, and these people find very difficult to migrate into cloud platform. So this is the opportunity, right? So Ajay can target those people who are working in legacy application or who have no foundation on Java, who have no foundation of microservices or cloud platform, okay. So this can be the customer for Ajay. Again, I'm saying you don't have to sell the course only, because if you're selling a course, you're going to compete with Udemy, which is already there, okay. So you have to do something, you have to design your course, you have to design your solution something differently, that you're giving a solution. You're not giving a course, you're giving a solution. So this way you have to think about. This is the second line of customer. What else Ajay can do? So Ajay can target a third kind of person, okay. Let's assume there are a lot of people who are working in service-based company and they want to move to product-based company. Because you know that if you're in IT company, you know that what is the difference between service-based company and product-based company, how the lifestyle, how the package are different. So there are a lot of people, they want to upgrade their knowledge, okay. So this can be the third kind of customer for Ajay. So those people who want to upgrade their knowledge, they want to move into product-based company, right? And because in product-based company, the interview are pretty tough as compared to service-based company, and IT professionals, they have to upgrade their knowledge. So Ajay, let's pretend Ajay has worked in some product-based company. He has a good hold on Java, on algorithm, on data structure, on microservices. He knows how to build an algorithm. So that's what the prerequisite here is, that you should have a passion, you should have a good knowledge on your topic, okay. You should be expert on your topic. So Ajay can target these third kind of people who want to switch from service-based company to product-based company. They want to upgrade their knowledge, okay. This is the third kind of customer, okay. What else Ajay can do? See, if suppose Ajay has a good experience in handling the project, like maybe project management kind of thing, maybe kind of team lead kind of things, in that kind of role, okay. So there are so many people I have seen in IT, they are working in the mid-level and they want to upgrade, they want to go at the top level, maybe in the management level, maybe at the team lead kind of role, but they are not able to do that because of certain reason. Maybe their technical is not good, maybe their communication skill, maybe their team leading skill is not good. So Ajay can target those people. You can see here. So this way Ajay has a lot of possibility, starting from student college, then the people who have just entered into IT industry, the people who are in the mid-range from 1 to 3 kind of experience, they want to upgrade their skill, and the people who want to switch from service-based company to product-based company, and the people who want to move to from technical to management side. You can see here, there are so many plenty opportunity, right? And I'm giving example with respect to Java. Same concept, same principle you can apply for different skill sets. For example, machine learning. It's a huge opportunity. If you have experience in machine learning, AI, my friend, you have no idea what wonder you can do. Exactly, what wonder you can do, you have no idea. If you are working in a project, in machine learning project, AI project, that's okay. But apart from the 9 to 5 job, you can build a profitable side income, man. You can build that because there are a lot of demand for AI, for machine learning. A lot of people want to switch from non-IT to IT into machine learning side. Even from IT, I have seen a lot of people who work in Java, .NET, or maybe testing. They want to switch into machine learning, into AI side, right? So if you have this skill, if you are expert in this topic, maybe AI, machine learning, you have a humongous opportunity to help a lot of people, and you can build a business around that. And this is not, I have seen that a lot of people have already done this. There are a lot of startups are coming up who are helping these people, okay? So my point here is that if you're in IT and you have some good amount of experience and you believe that you're expert on your topic, then my friend, this is a golden opportunity. This is a golden opportunity to monetize your skill. You can build a business. But hold, you might be thinking, it is really easy. Itna aasan hai. It is not easy, okay? So what are the prerequisites? If you really want to execute this, whatever I talk about, if you really want to execute on the ground level, you need some certain skill, okay? What skill you need? Apart from your technical skill, that is your domain experience. In addition to that, what you need some business skill. Okay, you should know how to leverage social media platform. You should know how to create videos like this, how to shoot a videos. You should know how to create video courses. You should know how to run the ad. Maybe you have to start the ad, Facebook ad or Meta ad or YouTube ad, and you should know a little bit about digital marketing. These are all skills you have to add. Only then you can think about it, okay? Just having that technical knowledge, domain knowledge is not going to help you. So you need these all skills. How to gain these skills? You might be thinking, chalo, I have technical knowledge. I'm interested now. I want to do something. But bhai, this all business skill, no, it's very difficult, man. How to build this skill? It will take a lot of time. Don't worry, my friend. If you're still watching this video, okay, and you have interest, I want to monetize, I want to do something for my society, for a student, I want to build something apart from my 9 to 5 job, and you want to start something, okay, you want to start your business, I'm going to help you, okay? You might be thinking how I can build my business skill. So don't worry, if you really want to build that, I'm inviting you, you can connect with me. You can either DM me, you can send me a message, or if you want to connect me personally, this is my official email address, support@secondincomeClub.in. You can send a message to me and I will definitely reply, okay? So this is all in this video. I hope it was useful. I hope it gives some idea, some bulb on that how you can build a business around that, okay? This is all this video, and I will keep coming on with more business idea. Till then, goodbye, take care.